Paper, books, boxes, tissues, even toilet paper. These things are essential to our everyday life. The pulp and paper industry in the southern United States consists of 5 segments: packaging, printing, tissue, newsprint, and pulp. The secret to how trees can become paper is in the fibers. When the fibers of certain plants are softened, separated, and combined with water, they become pliable, allowing them to be beaten and flattened into a mat that can be made into and used as paper. This technique originated in China in 105 AD. The art of papermaking eventually spread to North America in the 1800s. This mechanical method of physically beating the material to release the fibers was eventually replaced with a mechanical process to separate the fibers. The Kraft process, invented in Germany in the late 1800s, is a chemical method for wood pulp production. The name comes from the German word Kraft, meaning strong. In this method, chemicals are mixed with hot water to loosen and separate the wood fibers. Both softwood and hardwood trees may be used in the paper-making process. These trees are called pulpwood and are typically smaller and of lower quality. In the South, loblolly, shortleaf, slash, and longleaf pines are typically used. A wide variety of hardwoods are found around the region, which may be used to produce paper. After trees are harvested from the woods, they're loaded onto trucks and delivered to a paper mill. Once the bark is removed, the trees are chipped into small pieces. The chips are then mechanically processed to produce pulp or chemically treated to separate the fibers. Based on the type of paper being produced, softwood fibers, hardwood fibers, or a combination of the two may be used. Softwood trees produce long pulp fibers, which add strength. Softwood pulp is primarily used for paper intended for packaging, where strength of the containers is important. Hardwood trees have shorter fibers, which contribute to the smoothness of the paper, making it ideal for paper grades intended for printing purposes. Pulp manufactured directly from the tree chips is termed virgin fiber. Fibers obtained from processing recycled paper may also be used to produce paper products. These recycled fibers may be reused several times, but will eventually break down and become too weak for reuse. Nationwide, the paper industry recovers almost 67% of all paper consumed. As a result, the use of recycled fiber is common throughout the industry. In addition to providing fiber for making paper, recycling diverts the paper out of the waste stream and conserves landfill space. As the fibers are separated, they're mixed and softened in water to create a pulp mix called slurry. The slurry goes through a refining process and is then sent to the paper machine. The slurry is spread evenly onto a porous belt, and excess water is removed as the belt runs through a series of heated rollers to dry and smooth the sheet. For some grades of paper, additional coatings may be added to enhance the smoothness or improve printability. The papermaking process is a fairly closed-loop system where almost all of the materials used can be recycled and reused. Tree bark and other wood waste is used in boilers at the mill to create steam to dry the paper and to produce electricity. All water is recycled and reused. Scrap paper is also recovered and reused. The South's pulp and paper industry is one of the largest in the world. Alabama alone ranks second in the United States in pulp production and third in paper production. The pulp and paper industry provides landowners with an opportunity to sell their pulpwood trees, making room for others as they grow into a higher value product. This vibrant pulpwood market creates opportunities for landowners to earn income, providing an incentive for landowners to sustainably manage their forest land. As a renewable, natural resource, the South's forests can be managed to grow the products we need today, while also planning for the needs of future generations.